Hi, I wanted to give a little tutorial on how to use the fans, and in here we've got a Stealth Pro 3.3, which is more than enough to really cool this room. She wanted to be able to cool this room with the door closed, but also the rest of the house. So we've got the fan in here, and when the door's open, she can pull air from other rooms in the house as well. So what I'm going to do is turn the fan on. You can see I've got it set to low, and right now I'm using this little tissue box as an example, but not much movement in there. You may not be able to see it at all, but that window is open, that far window is open. Here's the fan. I'm not sure if you can hear it running. It's quiet, it's on low. And that window is open, and the door is open, so it's pulling air from a lot of different places at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to close this door, so we're going to concentrate the cooling only in this room, and we can start to see a little movement blowing across the bed with that tissue paper. So if it's nighttime and she wants to really concentrate, get a nice breeze going across her bed to get that kind of fan effect, we're going to close this window and go over here and close this window. So now we're only drawing air through one window. I don't know how well this is showing, but you can see the air is now pulling that drape right off of the window, and we're getting a nice steady breeze going across the bed. You can see with the tissue paper, it's not a gale, but it's a big swath of air moving across the bed. Now, if you wanted to really kick it up a notch, we're going to turn on high. You can hear the fan kick in a little more maybe, and now you can see there's much more air moving across the bed. You got that happening all night long, and it's cool nighttime air is blowing in. It's going to feel great, and it's not only going to cool this room down, but it's going to be blowing all the hot air out of the attic, and cooling that down all night long and lowering the temperature of the whole house structure. Then we can open, I'm just opening this door, and now we're pulling air from downstairs too, and we're pulling air from all parts of the house, and it's cooling all the house at once. So that's just an example. Hopefully that helps you learn how to kind of concentrate the cooling in places you